Welcome to our sweet potato fries recipe. Today we'll be making delicious crispy sweet potato fries using two methods, the oven and the air fryer. Let's gather our ingredients and get started on this tasty adventure. Let's get our ingredients ready. We need 2 large sweet potatoes. These will be the base of our fries. Next, grab 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will help the fries crisp up nicely. For seasoning, we'll use 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavors, 1 teaspoon of paprika for a smoky taste, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder for a savory kick. Add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper for a bit of spice, and if you like some heat, toss in 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now, let's move on to cutting the sweet potatoes. First, peel the sweet potatoes if you prefer them without skin. Then cut them into even sticks, aiming for about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Try to make the pieces as uniform as possible so they cook evenly. Next, let's season the sweet potato sticks. In a large bowl, toss the sweet potato sticks with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure they're evenly coated. Then, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper if you're using it. Toss everything together again to coat the sweet potato sticks evenly with the seasoning. Alright, let's move on to baking our sweet potato fries. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, line a baking sheet with parchment paper or aluminum foil. This makes cleanup a lot easier. Now spread the seasoned sweet potato sticks in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Make sure not to overcrowd them. This helps them get crispier. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for 15 minutes. Then take them out and flip the fries over using a spatula to ensure they cook evenly. Put them back in the oven and bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fries are golden brown and crispy. Keep an eye on them during this time to prevent burning. Now, if you want to air fry the sweet potato fries, start by preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Once it's preheated, place the sweet potato fries in the air fryer basket in a single layer. You may need to cook them in batches to avoid overcrowding, which helps them cook more evenly and get crispier. Cook the fries for 10 minutes, then give the basket a good shake to ensure even cooking. Continue cooking for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the fries are golden brown and crispy. Make sure to check periodically to prevent burning. Once your sweet potato fries are golden brown and crispy, remove them from the oven or the air fryer. Let them cool for a few minutes to make them easier to handle. Now it's time to serve. Pair them with your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy your delicious sweet potato fries.